Hey guys,
His name will
this
be
is
Buzz.
not a shed skin. It's an actual cicada. We found
it's Buzz. Buzz is gonna Buzz.
That's not
his
Buzz.
way out of
That's
his
not
skin.
Buzz. This
No.
is Buzz.
No. He'll be Buzz.
So what's this one's name? Oh, Ronald. Okay.
Yeah, Ronald.
Hey,
McDonald.
Ronald.
Oh God,
Ronald,
wait,
wanna
wait.
go play? I hope we can have a fun time
Right
together.
there.
I sure hope. I am the Mongolian death lamb. And I'll now jump
There he
in
is.
this
Okay, we're gonna
bottomless
stop
pit.
recording. Hey guys, we're gonna stop recording. Daniel keeps talking like that.
No. You.
Here's what's his name?
Ronald.
Hey, that's his Ronald. This is
I
Ronald.
wish I could be
That's
the
Buzz.
Mongolian death lamb someday.
Is it alive?
Is he alive? I don't know.
Oh,
It's alive.
Yeah, I
Andy, I
can't
need a
die
lid.
straight away.
And we're gonna make a smoothie. We're shaking it up. And then it's gonna be broccoli.
there's no lid for it.
I wish I
Hi.
So who should we kidnap first?
Here's a pretty close up.
The actual child.
What about Mom, Matt?
This is almost as scared as Shank sounds, but it's not.
Really, there's wind.
Ah.
Look, his bones look like they're crackling.
Daddy long legs.
Where? No, his legs. I like her little crackles on his legs.
It's
Crackly old grandma.
White caterpillar.
They're invasive.
Yeah.
Guys,
So
comment down below
Yeah, they
if you
pick-
think
they-
this guy's a baby or a grandma.
it's a baby.
He's gonna grow up and shed a skin.
I mean, it might be old grandma.
Okay, guys, we're gonna look at this guy for like the rest of the
shed
video.
his skin.
Daniel, stop.
And then he's gonna pee his pants. Why
So
are you
here he
trying to
is.
mimic me? I'm much better. No, you're not. Okay, you actually have a Scottish accent.
Oh my God.
So guys, we found two this time. Like that video was like a few months ago.
Ready, Daniel? Watch.
Jeffrey, we're always
Ready? It goes like this, Daniel.
Here he is.
How are we supposed to kidnap? Let's kidnap the baby now before it gets too high.
No, kidnap.
Oh God, the baby's gonna get high. Guys, that's the end of the video.
The invasive.
Is a Mongolian death worm
Bye
invasive?
bye.